In one of my prior videos, I indicated that DJI had announced on their forum they would be releasing a new Mavic 3 Fly More kit, including the RC Pro remote control, rather than the standard RC N1 remote control. This was indicated to be released in December of 2021 in China, and then be released in Q1 of 2022 in North America and in some European countries. Unfortunately, I have bad news to bring to you if you've been waiting to purchase this Mavic 3 so you can get that new combination, or if you've been waiting for the promised compensation for anyone who has purchased them separately. It was noticed on the DJI forum that the original post that DJI made on December 1st indicating this new kit was becoming available and they would compensate people who purchased them separately was gone. So a new post was created asking what happened to the original post that indicated that this new Mavic 3 Fly More combo with the RC Pro was going to be released in Q1 of 2022. And here is the response from DJI Wanda. It indicates, "Hi all, we sincerely apologize for the unpleasant experience. Due to market strategy adjustments, there are currently no plans to launch a new DJI Mavic 3 Fly More combo with the DJI RC Pro in other regions except for mainland China. For this reason, there is no related compensation activity in regions where the new package has not been launched. Thank you for your understanding and support." So now this creates a really unique situation in that back in December of 2021, DJI came out with a new Air 2S Fly More combo for only $1,749. That includes the RC Pro remote control. You can also purchase it with the standard RC N1 remote control for $1,299. So their less expensive drone now comes with the RC Pro as an option at a substantial savings. But if you purchase the RC Pro with the Mavic 3, you basically have to purchase both outright. You will not get compensated. You do not get a discount. They're just very happy for you to spend your money on both of those items. So unfortunately, the Mavic 3 Fly More combo with the RC Pro is not going to happen in Q1 of 2022 as DJI indicated it would. So therefore, you will not be seeing a store credit at the DJI store if you purchase them separately. If this really is annoying you, make sure to let out your anger and frustration by commenting below.